आइल तुम्हार गृहे भक्ति परवशमणि
जय जय
धन्य पिता गौरा धन्य मार जनी तानिया हरि नामे कन्या बासार
अच्छा हिंदी नहीं जानता है लेकिन थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलेगा। तो आज आप सब छात्र है, छात्री है। Those who are here, they are all students. तो जब छात्रों का जीवन का एक साधना है भगवान का कृपा का लिए, तो आपका बहुत परिश्रम करने पड़ेगा। प्रभुपाद जी जब छात्र था वो स्कॉटिश चर्च कॉलेज में उसका कॉलेज था, ब्रिटिश कॉलेज। तो वो जब 5 साल था और 6 साल जब हुआ है तो वो उसको पिताजी गौरमोहन को बोला है जो हम रथ यात्रा करेगा। तो उसको पिताजी एक बड़ा रथ लेके आया है और गौरमोहन और सजा उसको डेकोरेशन करके वो कलकत्ता में, नॉर्थ कलकत्ता में जहाँ अभी एडिशन रोड होता है यहाँ पर पहले रहता था, तो उधर में बहुत बड़ा रथ किया है। वो गांव का कलकत्ता का लड़का जितना था 15-20 आदमी सब रथ टान के ले गया। तो इसलिए प्रभुपाद चिंता करता था जब ये जगन्नाथ जी का कृपा कैसे सारा पृथ्वी में हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगा। तो इसलिए प्रभुपाद जी का चैरियट फेस्टिवल आप देखो कहाँ पर नहीं होता है। रशिया में होता है, चाइना में होता है, जापान में होता है, अमेरिका में होता है, इंग्लैंड में होता है, फ्रांस में होता है, सब हर एक देश में होता है। तो प्रभुपाद जी भगवान का शुद्ध भक्त था और सत्य वैसा होता है। तो उसको जितना शिष्य है भक्तिचार्य, जय पताका, गोपाल कृष्ण, एक ज्वेल राधानाथ स्वामी, तो ये जब चल जाएगा प्रभुपाद शिष्य सब छोड़ के तब आप पूछेगा जब प्रभुपाद शिष्य क्या कैसे था। तो आप भाग्यशाली आदमी हैं जो मुक्तिचार्य महाराज का पास और जय पताका महाराज का पास आप दीक्षा लिया है, जो अभी दीक्षा नहीं लिया है। तो अभी तो प्रभुपाद का शिष्य कितना है, राधानाथ महाराज है, भक्ति विकास स्वामी है और शुभम महाराज है और क्या राधा गोविंद महाराज है। तो ले लो, time is very short, so you can take initiation from Prabhupada disciple. This is my humble request to all of you, because ऊपर डिसाइपल जितना था एक एक गुजर जाता है। अभी जयपुर का महाराज था लेकिन बहुत बीमार है उसको, उसलिए my humble request is you can follow the instruction of Amritesh Gaur Nitai Das. He will take you to Golok Vrindavan. When he was a student, when he used to visit Calcutta Temple, he and his good friend Siddhartha Prabhu, that time Siddhartha Prabhu was not married. He was brahmachari. Both are coming here and they used to help Mataji in so many ways. They are repairing this, Goshala, they are repairing this road and also they help the temple. So many things they have done. And they are very humble, and not only that, they are, when Mataji is sick, they are taking care of Mataji. They are taking Mataji to the hospital, even Bombay sometimes. They are like own sons. So first they came, and I treat them as my son, spiritual son, both of them, because they are not coming 20 years, 17, 20 years. And he used to earn 90,000 rupees as a software engineer, about 1 lakh rupees. He left the job. He says, I requested him, don't leave the job. No, I am initiated. I want to be a full-time devotee. And then he took initiation from Bhakti Charu Swami Maharaj and he left the job. So this is called that if you want to come, in contact with a pure devotee, he can change, he can mold your life in such a way that you will never forget Krishna. That is spiritual life. So thank you very much, because you have to go there for Prasadam. So I am, from my own heart, I am very thankful and giving my blessing to Amritesh Nitai Gaur Das and Siddhartha Prabhu Das. Both are the students, and all of the students, you must follow the 4 rules and regulations which is prescribed by my Guru Maharaj, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Then your Guru Maharaj will be very, very pleased. Thank you very much.
अभी यहाँ जो हमारे भुवनेश्वर से जो प्रचार कर रहे हैं वो केंद्र में प्रचार कर रहे हैं रामानंद कृष्ण प्रभु, टीचिंग कर रहे हैं उधर, और खुर्दा 30 किलोमीटर दूर में। और सुंदरभर प्रभु हैं जो बालूगांव में सेंटर किए हैं, और बहुत सुंदर से बहुत सारे भक्त यहाँ बालूगांव से ही हैं, और जटनी और बालूगांव से ज़्यादा हैं, भुवनेश्वर से कम है। और बाकी कुछ भक्त माता जी प्रभु ये जटनी में प्रचार कर रहे हैं रामानंद कृष्ण, ये जटनी में प्रचार कर रहे हैं रामानंद कृष्ण प्रभु।
Ramananda Krishna Prabhu, thank you very much. You are preaching, you are giving real life, because Krishna consciousness only can save us. No other thing can save us.
और वो जो खड़े हैं वो सुंदरवर प्रभु, हमारे हम सब एक ही साथ आए, तो वो भी सुंदरवर
Prabhu. So thank you very much. You are preaching in college, and by your endeavor, so many young students are here and they are taking Krishna consciousness.
You can give your garland to him. Prabhuji will give.
हरिओम।
আচ্ছা, আর ঠিক আছে প্রভু, মাতাজি যে আমাদের লিডার ইন্দুমতি রাধিকা মাতাজি এই নিয়ে
হরিবল
উনি সবাইকে নিয়ে আসছেন এখানে ভক্তি পথে।
By profession, you are physician. Mataji, by profession? Eh? PhD. Oh, that means doctorate.
খুব সুন্দর প্রচার করেন উনি, সবাই ভালো প্রচার করেন। বেশি ভক্ত ঝাড়খণ্ডী বালুগাঁও আর ভুবনেশ্বর মাতাজি গ্রুপ এসছে, আর বাকি প্রভুজিদের অল্প আছে।
জন্মস্থানে উঠে অবশ্যই করবো।
प्रभु जी बोलते हैं जन्म स्थान जब जाओगे तो ये वाला गाना बहुत जरूर गाना होगा।
I am very pleased because in that song you will find name of the 8 gurus: Bhakti Chand Maharaj, Jayapataka Maharaj, Radhanath Maharaj, Gopal Krishna Maharaj, Shubhog Maharaj, and
Lokanath Swami Maharaj.
And any other? No. 6 gurus name are there, and they are leading gurus in ISKCON. So by glorifying leading gurus, you will get the mercy. So in that song it is written, so and Prabhupada's father, no one glorify him because his father is such a pure devotee. Just I am giving you an example that Prabhupada was he was a pharmacist. He has a big medical shop in Allahabad. The name of the pharmacy, Quack Pharmacy. So Prabhupada going to distribute medicine, Kanpur, Bombay, and Delhi, like that. All of a sudden, he got a trunk call from his father, Guru Mohan, please come. Because, by getting the information, trunk call, he was very puzzled. That what happened in my family, I don't know, my father is old man. Maybe immediately he came, right? And his father says to his another daughter that he will reach today at night. He came night and opened the door. He immediately came to his father, like 1 o'clock. He's asking, father, anything problem? No problem. Then why you make the trunk call? Okay, tomorrow I will tell you. Next day he came again. Are you sick? No, I am not sick. Then what happened? Why you call me? Then he says that today is Ekadashi, a very auspicious day. So we go, take some fruits, and invite his name, first initiating disciple, Sannyas disciple, Bhakti Pradip Tirtha Maharaj. He is the first sannyasi disciple of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. So he invited that you go to Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur and begged him, asked him that in our house we have Harikatha, evening time. You invite him. Then he is going. Immediately he is going. He and another his brother, Krishna Charan, Bhavai Charan and Krishna Charan. Both are going. Then, no, don't go empty hand. When you are going to temple, you should take something. Then he says, we have a nice cow, milking cow, and 1 calf. So you take and donate to temple. Then he went there with the cow and calf. They offered, that Maharaj. Then immediately Maharaj says, this cow, Bhakti Pradip Tirtha Maharaj says, this is a big cow. Your father gave to the temple. Yes, my father gave. And the calf, they are giving every day 10 kilos weight. Every day, the cow. Then Bhakti Pradip Tirtha Maharaj was very happy. Then what to do? Then today with my father, evening time, we cordially invite you in my residence. Please come, all the devotees of your Brahmachari, all the Brahmacharis, please come and give Harikatha. He wants to listen Bhagavad Katha from your tongue, from your mouth. And so they came evening time, 7 o'clock, and they have nice Harikatha. And all the family members of Srila Prabhupada, Prabhupada's wife, Prabhupada's mother, and Prabhupada's sister, and other family members, they cook very nicely. All the sumptuous prasadam there. That the next day was Dadoshi, like today is Dadoshi. So they invited on Dadoshi day. So they made about 30-40 types of preparation. So they gave prasadam to everyone, and Gaur says, because he was a cloth merchant, kapra ka vyavasayita, so he gave everyone one cloth, one dhoti, and then some pranami they gave. Then after that they left at 9:30, and on the same day at 11:30, near about 12 o'clock, all the family members are there, and he left his body. That's why he is a pure Vaishnava, because a Vaishnava knows where I will die. Like Prabhupada was in Jew, and all the devotees, foreigners, they say, Prabhupada, you can go to America. There are big doctors. No, I don't want to go America. Anywhere, I do not want to go. I want to go Vrindavan. So he knows I have to leave the body. So he came to Vrindavan. Just 3-4 months was there, and all the devotees like Sasur Maharaj, Jayapataka Maharaj, Samal Krishna Maharaj, Bhavananda Prabhu, all they requested, Prabhu, you come to our place, you are not able to digest anything. Even Prabhupada, khichdi, ekdam, kuch nahi tha. There is no spices, nothing was there. So Prabhupada is not able to take that. All the time, he cannot digest anything. So then Tamal Krishna Maharaj is crying, Jayapataka Maharaj is crying, Sasra Maharaj is crying. Oh, they are crying like own father. They love so much Prabhupada. Prabhupada says, don't request Lord Krishna regarding my expansion of my life. No. I want to go back to Vaikuntha, because I have completed 10 canto, and last few cantos Hidayananda Goswami will finish. Then all the devotee says, we will call this doctor, that person. No doctor, I never require any doctor. Some other, they agreed that one Ayurvedic doctor came and he gave some medicine, and also Prabhupada says, no, the best medicine in my life, if you want to give me pleasure, so before my room, you can 24 hours will do Kirtan. Akhanda Harinam Kirtan. That's why when Prabhupada was there, every day, still that Akhanda Harinam Kirtan is going on with now. So, and on 14th November, that was the Kartik month, the auspicious month among all the months. So he left his body by hearing the Hare Hare Namaiva, Hare Namaiva, Hare Namaiva Kevalam, Kalu Nastapo. No other way, no other way, no other. This is the only way that if you want pure chanting, purely, openlessly, then Krishna will give you the mercy. Thank you very much, because now 9 o'clock and अब कोई थोड़ा प्रणामी देगा तब प्रणामी बाक्स में डाल देगा। आप अपना যদি কেউ প্রণামী দিতে চান তাহলে প্রণামী বাক্স আছে, যা পারবেন 1 টাকা 2 টাকা 5 টাকা 10 টাকা সব প্রণামী বাক্সে প্রণামী দিয়ে দেবেন। হরে কৃষ্ণ। ওই প্রণামী বক্স। That is the প্রণামী box. So whatever you can do, you can give in প্রণামী box. হ্যাঁ, ওই প্রণামী বাক্স আছে, ওখানে যা পারবেন আপনাদের যা ইচ্ছে মনের ইচ্ছে প্রণামী বাক্সে দিয়ে দেবেন। সফল করেছো? এই দিয়ে দাও সকলকে।
তো
দিয়ে দাও, সেটা তো দিয়ে দেখতে তুমি দিয়ে দাও সকলকে দিয়ে দাও।
আচ্ছা, সবাই আসুন, নিয়ে যাবেন রসগোল্লা, এটা প্রভুর হাত থেকে জগন্নাথকে ভোগ দেওয়া ছিল। जगन्नाथ को दर्शन कर पहले बोली प्रभु पहले अपना प्रसाद टिके पाई जानते से पे रसगोल्ला ঠিক আছে, আপনি জগন্নাথ দর্শন করেছেন, যে যা মনে করবেন যা পারবেন প্রণামী বাক্সে আপনারা পয়সা দিয়ে দেবেন। পাশে নিয়ে আসো প্রভুজি দিয়ে দেবেন, কন্টিনিউ দেখো।
हरि वो
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे,
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे राम राम हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे
Mic